One of the greatest sources of misery and anxiety in life is when a person is obliged to work in a job that he hates. Success at work depends largely on your psychological state while you are at work, and whether you enjoy the work or not. Thomas Edison was working in his lab for 18 hours, and yet he used to say, "I never did a day's work in my life, it was all fun." Phil Johnson's father owned a laundry shop and hoped his son would work with him, and then he could run the shop. But Phil wasn't interested in that, and he chose to work as a mechanic instead. While his father was shocked by this decision, Phil was happy working with the machines that fascinated him. This interest in machines later led him to the presidency of Boeing. One of the ways to enjoy your job is to become organized. Surely many of us have many missed emails or unfinished tasks. Completing these tasks and organizing yourself will have a huge impact on your spirit and your enjoyment of work. Bit to remember: enjoy your job by organizing yourself and avoiding negative influences.